Yasonia Sophia Isabel C. Third honors and the most generous in class Mirabilia Zarina Jershime T. Second honors Reyes Lovin Gerbo C. And the first honors, she won first in Tula, and she is also the most responsible in class. Goes to Pajimolan Elijah S. Congratulations.